Today it's Wednesday, October 9, 2024. Do you remember yesterday when I said that I was gonna receive the parts probably after a week? I was wrong, obviously, because I have the new bearing. That's the old one. And the rear bearing, this is the old one. Leave it down, no worries. That's the new one. Alright. And I have the brushes. I received it all yesterday night. And what I did, let me fix the bearing, 1 second. Okay, so these two goes back to the owner. What I did yesterday, before I leave, because I received it late, I unsoldered the two brushes here, alright? What did I use? The soldering iron here, alright? The pump to suck it out, to clear the soldering lead, alright? This belongs to the customer. I'm joking. If he wants, I can give him a good one. Alright? And today it's the day to put it all back together. Let's put the spacer here. A little bit of oil here. I'm going to press this bearing. I'm going to press also the rear bearing. The brushes. Let me show you how it looks like. This is obviously the old one, alright? This is the new one. The thing is, spring, this is a softer spring, but I want to see the length. It might, you see why it has this hole here, this aligned with the hole here, so nice, amazing, lovely. So don't be, because there is material. I'm gonna show you later. This is nice. This is always welcome. This is beautiful. That's what it is. Nice. And has the same offset on the left. Nice. Beautiful. They told me that these are original for Mitsubishi, for this alternator. I said, no way. Alright. Not bad. By the way, the alternator, it's almost 20 years old, alright? So if after this injection, what I mean by saying injection, changing the two bearings, changing the two brushes, if it lasts another 5-6 years, it's not bad, right? I mean, if it lasts another 20 years, it's gonna be amazing. But it's maintenance, like a service. Let me press I put the spacer, yeah, a little bit of oil here, pressing the bearings and coming back. Both bearings back in place. Yes, the rear small one and the upper one. They told me that even if I need this contact, this cap here, they can provide also this. This doesn't have a wear, but I'm saying later on it's easy to change it. I haven't changed, to be honest. If I see that it has a wear, this one, we replace everything. But they told me that it's available also these two contacts where they're stepping the brushes. Now, I put the new brushes here in place. I just need to go to solder it. I need to... What I did? Yeah, you see this? I did that other way around. Yay. This goes there. Okay. Take a look how much out it comes. Compared with that, with the old one. Yeah, it was about time to be replaced, right? It's the same dimensions, by the way. Let's go to solder it. Now, after soldering the brushes in place, it's cold now, I can touch it. While I was waiting to cool down, I put the front housing with a nut here and the pulley. One drop of blue Loctite on the screws here and a little bit on the nut, just in case for safety. And now I can put the cover back and I can continue. This is the seal actually. Alright, let me close this one. Actually, before I close it, I want to see something. Is it okay? Yes, I can compress it full inside. It meets the hole here. That's a good one. And also the lower one. Yes, I can compress it full inside without any problem. Nice. That's good. That's nice. Let me put the cover back. Both covers back, the inner one and the outer one here. I put also the seal here up, this rubber. What I want to do now, I want to clean a little bit this surface. I didn't show that earlier. I want to clean it a little bit with the sandpaper to have a good contact, because most probably this is grounded to the housing of the alternator. Yeah, let's do also that. It's a good chance to do that now, right? If this comes, where it comes, this is supposed to come like that. So this one is supposed to ground it here. A little bit cleaning the housing at this point and a little bit here to have a nice and good contact and start putting it together. Yeah. Nice, 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 nice. All right, moving on. Sanding a little bit this piece here, sanding a little bit the housing here. Looks a bit better, right? Closing it and bolting it down. Why I'm struggling with one hand, right? Yeah, give me a second to close and bolt it down. Ready also the rear housing. Now I have to get a 2mm Allen, a special tool, and lock the brushes in place by inserting the pin behind. Let's do that. If it was a little bit more thick, it's gonna be much better. I'm gonna say it has to come inside nicely, just because it has a little bit of flip. I'm gonna go gentle to insert inside. If I see that it bites, I might get a 2.5mm. Or you know what, I can get a drill bit. Yeah, we're gonna see if I have that long. Let's try to put it together. I didn't have to do anything. It was fine there. Now it's the time to release the brushes. And feels fine, sounds fine. Let's see, we're gonna work, we're gonna run. Now, like I said, 2 bearings, 2 brushes later, 1 cleanup, and that's it. Let me place it over there actually. And it's ready for installation. Let's see how long it's gonna last after the operation. Thank you. Over and out. That's the end for this alternator.